In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zapier customer support by submitting a help request the right way. If you've run into a billing issue, a workflow problem, an account question, or anything else you need help with, this quick process will help you contact the Zapier support team properly and make sure your issue gets across clearly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once the site loads, sign into your account using the email and password connected to your Zapier profile. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next step. After you're inside your account, look at the top of the page and click Help. This is where Zapier keeps its support options and help resources. From there, you should see the option to submit your issue. Click that option to open the support form. Now, you'll need to fill out the details of your request carefully. Start with the subject line. Keep it short, but specific enough so the support team understands the problem right away. For example, you might mention a login issue, a task error, a connection problem, or whatever best matches your situation. Next, go into the details section. This is where you explain the issue clearly and provide any important context. Try to include what happened, when it started, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. The clearer you are here, the easier it is for the support team to understand and respond to your request. If you have a screenshot, attach it as well. Screenshots are really useful because they help show the exact error message, page, or issue you're seeing. That can speed up the support process and reduce back and forth later. Once your subject, details, and screenshot are all added, take one last look to make sure everything is accurate and easy to understand. Then click Send to submit your issue to Zapier support. After that, your request will be on its way and you can wait for their response. And that's it. You've now contacted Zapier customer support and submitted your issue the right way. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.